Oh, hi. My name is Thong. On the 18th of August 2026, there is going to be a conference at Courtyard, Melaka, 5 CPD points with Bovia, and the event is called AI Application in Malaysian Real Estate. 2:30 p.m. My session, I'm going to show you demonstration of AI tools that's specially used for land valuation or feasibility study. No, we are not going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write emails. We're not going to show you. Let's look at the screen. Now, this event is organized by Malaysian Real Estate Institute, Courtyard, Melaka, on the 18th of August. This is Google Map. I have chosen a piece of land. Let's assume my client told me he wanted this piece of land. I put a pin here, okay? And then after that, I check the GPS coordinates. I go to the AI software that I'm going to present to you on that day in detail. Now, a few elements about this software, this website. It is free. You can use it after you come for the event. You know the URL. You can log in and you can play with it all you want because it's free. There's no subscription to it. It's okay. Now, I come to search a place, okay? And I'm going to copy in the GPS coordinates. I click. And then it goes there. Of course, it's a bit off. We get it right. Okay, here's the piece of land. We can run a scan. The scan is going to run a location intelligence. It just wants to know what are the amenities and the shops and the schools and the hospital around the place. Yeah, give it a moment. It will do a full scan of the entire areas between 1 km, 5 km, and 25 km as a district. Then they'll tell you all the information. You can have road access, environmental risk, commercial. Then it will also scan again, right? And then from there, you can move on to the next part, market snapshot. Okay, this is the snapshot. Let's do a snapshot for the marketability. Yeah, let's copy that as well. And then quickly, we go on. And then look at the screen. It does an analysis. It will tell you what are the prices of the property there and whether it's a strong demand or not. Okay. And then, of course, you can go to the next one is regulatory check. And then it does AI plan checking and it tells you what are the information, everything else. You can also run a regulatory check of the location. Let me copy again the GPS coordinates, right? And then, of course, it will also run a check. Now, quickly, let me run to another software, Master Deep Dive, okay? And in the Master Deep Dive, we can actually copy and press go. And then it comes to the land again. But this time, we're going to do this. We're going to draw the piece of land so that the AI agent can actually know what is the size according to your grant, of course. And we do a terrain analysis. Let's look at the terrain analysis on this page. Wow, it is actually a hill, right? This place is hilly. Let me move it around. It's a hill. Yeah. So this place is a hill, which the highest is here, the peak is highest is here, right? And then the lowest is here. Okay. The next thing we can do is, of course, we do a grader. The grader is what we're going to do is which part of the land will be filled and which part will not. And then you can see that you need to do grader and then you resolve it to resolve how much dirt to remove from the site or how much dirt you need to import. So we can quickly go through this on 18th of August 2026 at 2:30 p.m. I'm going to show you how to use it in detail. Join us for this event. Yep. And beside this, we also have another tool for those people who likes to do feasibility, especially your valuers. You can actually have a guided tour where you can go very detailed. And then for those people who wants to know how we wrote all this software, although we are not coders, we're going to use this software as well. We're going to show you how to use AI. Just ask it in natural English. Basically, just I want a website, and then it produce for you. And of course, then you also can test out my AIBI. AIBI is basically AI business intelligence for real estate. What we do is when you ask a question, do you have a local plan? Yes, we have programmed it to know local plan. So on the 18th of August 2026 in Courtyard, Melaka, organized by Malaysian Real Estate Institute, UTHM, please join us, or join me at least, to know what AI can do for you, which is actually feasibility studies. Take care. Bye bye.